Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In the last video, we talked about the font family, and in this video, we will see how to adjust the font size. The font size property decides how big the font appears in the browser. So in the browser, in the sense how big the font appears in the browser for HTML document. So we can adjust the font size using the font size property. Font family specifies the font name, and this one is for size. The size can be specified in various ways. The frequently used ways are, so we can specify the font size in units like 12 pixel, 12 centimeter, like that. Here it is in pixel, this one is in centimeter, and if you want you can specify it in millimeter also. So pixel, centimeter, or with the absolute size like a standard size, small, medium, or large, like that also you can specify the font size. So sometimes in rare scenario people will use a percentage also, 10%. So it is decided by the tag. So under what tag you are applying the font size, and 10% means it will apply 10% of the font size which is relative to the applied tag. So here if you see, this is the absolute example, font size larger, or you can specify font size in terms of pixels, or if you need instead of px you can use a centimeter also. Now let's go to the demo and see how it works. So this time we will use the same font family document, and we already have a paragraph, right? We will remove it. So we don't see any content now, and we will keep two paragraph, and the class we will use siege and times. Once I click save, you can see both the paragraph in the document, and this is the apply font, right? We will remove this style. For siege style, so this is the siege style, and if you see here we are using font family which we already saw, and if you need you can even pick a specific font and apply it instead of family. Here I'm just specifying sans serif font, and the font size is large. This is for P siege, that means for the first paragraph. You can see that here. So tag is P containing the class siege. So this is the paragraph. The second paragraph contains times, and we will experiment that later. For now we will apply this style to the first paragraph, that means to this paragraph. So let me save the content, and you can see the sans serif font is applied to the first paragraph, and font size is larger here. So we can change the size using this absolute value. Say for example, for now I will use X, small, and once I hit save, you can see the size is applied for the first paragraph. So let me click save here, and you can see X small we applied, right? So the size of the first paragraph becomes smaller. So likewise, we can specify much more size, fixed size. If you see, these are all the sizes: large, larger, medium, small. So this time let me pick XS, double X large. Other stuff you can experiment. Let me click save. And this is the first paragraph with double X large font. Right, so the size can also be specified using the pixels. So let me use 14 pixel font for the first paragraph. Once I click save, so that's the 14 pixel font for the first paragraph, and font face is, the font family is sans serif. Now let me use it as 28 pixel. So I'm increasing the font size, and you can see that here. Right, so this is how you can size the font in our tag. Here we just used a paragraph. You can use it for any text based elements. So for the second paragraph, it's a class p.times, right? So we will create p.times and times Roman. So this is available, and font size here we are specifying that in pixel. So for the previous one, let's use a normal size, or we can use a medium on, or we will go with large. So that's for that one. So the second one uses Times New Roman. Since I saved the content, we can see that here instead of 14, here we will use 18 pixels. So that will be the second paragraph with Times New Roman. So just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.